Okay, so we are understanding fractions as division problems. So if I wrote 1/4 is the same thing as 1 divided by 4, or also written as 1 divided by 4. Numerator goes in, denominator goes out. So all of these represent the same thing, as well as 2/3. 2 divided by 3 can also be written as numerator in, denominator out. 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this part doesn't seem very confusing at all. You're going to see questions that look something like this. Which is the same as 5 divided by 4? Okay, and then you're going to have answer choices. Something like A, we could say 1/5 times 1/4. B, 1/4 times 5 wholes. C, 1/5 times 4 wholes. And D, 4 divided by 5. So the first thing when you see something like this is I would write it out as a fraction. So 5 divided by 4 is the same thing as 5/4. Okay, so we need to look at all of these answer choices and see if any of them come out to equivalent 5 divided by 4 or 5/4. Okay, so if I solve this first one here, I multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Are they equivalent? Are they equal? No. So I'll go to the next one, and I'm going to multiply across, but I need to put a 1 in the denominator first. Okay, I didn't change anything. 5, this still represents 5 wholes. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, when we look at these, are they equivalent? Yes, they are. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next one. I also need to put a 1 in the denominator. I'm going to multiply across. 1 times 4 equals 4. 5 times 1 is 5. Are they equivalent? No. The denominators and numerators are not in the same spot. 4/5 is not the same thing as 5/4. Okay, and then I'm come down to answer choice D, 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 also looks like 4 divided by 5. Okay, so we see that 1/4 times 5 is the same thing as 5/4, which we had